Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. I have a super fun video to share with you. I'm going to show you the first few mail items that have come in for the Happy Mail Pals list that I'm putting together. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a video which I will link below, and basically it's just asking those of you interested in getting a snail mail pal, really, to let me know. And it's just watch the video and you'll get more details on it. So I do have a few entries, or a few envelopes I should say, that came in, and I will be matching those up with someone that you can send some mail to, so you can have a new snail mail pal. So I'll be doing that in a couple minutes, but I wanted to do two things first. I'm so excited that I actually picked one of these up. Now I have the original whale tab punch. A friend of mine kindly had gifted it to me before, and I did see this one recently on Amazon, and I thought I would get it because a lot of you are looking for this and you may not know that it's out there. It's a lot less expensive, of course, than the original one, if you happen to find one of those. But I really like it. It actually seals itself down. I will link it below in case you haven't seen it. I'll have a link for both US and Canada Amazon that I found it in. And so basically you do have to fold your page in half in order for this one to work, and then you just pop it in, and here comes your whale tab. As easy as that, my friends. I absolutely love it. I like that I can close it up and just keep it on my desk if I need to. So definitely a good purchase, and I think it was fairly inexpensive when I did get it. So I know somebody had asked me about this before because I shared about it. I think that was on my Amazon's favorite list, and someone asked how to do the punch, how to use it. So I thought I would show you that. And then the other thing I wanted to mention, I've been putting together like a little kit. I'm thinking I'm calling it a spring kit. So I'm wondering if any of you are interested in in any of the pieces that I have here. Let me know what you think. I might have doilies, some Easter themed napkins. I mean, look at this bunny. Oh my gosh. This one's got some some eggs. I've been doing a lot of coffee staining on envelopes, so I don't know if that's something that would interest you as well. So I'm trying to gauge to see who would be interested in, a kit that I'm just putting together, just with some original ephemera and then some, additional pieces that would be nice for a spring journal. If you are interested in any of that, all right, I also have doilies in there. If you're interested in something like that, let me know, and then I'll kind of finish putting it together and list it in the shop. And if not, just, what you might be looking for. If you're looking for napkins, if you're looking for coffee stain things, leave a comment below and let me know if you're looking for any of these pieces, because I am, as I said, kind of trying to put a couple together as I'm working on projects, and then seeing if anyone would be interested in me adding them to the shop. These are yellow, I guess they're index cards, or I'm not quite sure because it's got month, day, year, and then completion. So I'm not quite sure, but they're double-sided, they're yellow, they're nice and thick. I thought they went really nicely with the spring colors. But anyways, I thought I would mention that before I finish putting this together, as I'm adding things as I go. I think for this one I had even added some additional pieces. So anyways, if you think this is something that you might want to purchase, let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll see if I can gather some and put them together. All right, so let's get started with the Happy Mail Pals. Okay, so the first one is an international one, and of course she is open to having a snail mail pal that is from anywhere, which is lovely. So she's included this little it looks like a little pocket. You've got a little booklet here, and you've got some lovely, it looks like stamped fussy cut pieces. So this is the type of work that she enjoys doing, I guess. And I'm going to try and match you up with someone of that has like similar eclectic style. An ATC card, and I think in the back it's got all the details, so that's kind of lovely. This will be nice for me to keep track of the names and who you've been matched with and that sort of thing. So thank you so much. I will be in contact with you soon. The next snail mail pal that's going on the list is Holly, and Holly has sent this lovely little pack wrapped in a doily. So now I don't want to unwrap the doily, of course, because it looks like such a cute little pocket. So this is her style, and also a little eclectic, a little vintage. I love the little wrapping. That's such a great idea to wrap, pieces of mail and keep them together. So she's got her information on the back of this cute little card. And then there's a lot included in this little envelope. I'm so amazed how much you put in here, Holly. So you've got some journaling cards. Look at this cute little stack of tiny envelopes. So this is her style, and I absolutely love it. So I will be in contact with you soon and let you know who I've matched you with, and hopefully you'll all have a lovely, connection, and you'll get to meet a new snail mail pal that you can swap some goodies with. All right, so I love these. I like that they're put on, I think, like maybe a handmade paper. That's how it feels anyways. Really lovely pieces. This one came in this really nice big envelope. This is from Janice, and she has added a lot of goodies in here. So you'll get to see Janice's style and what she likes to create. It looks like it's paper clips here. There's quite a few paper clips, and oh my gosh, they all have such lovely goodies in them. So thank you so much for taking part and wanting to get on my list for Happy Mail Pals. I'll be in contact, of course, everyone that I'm showing your items here. I'll be in contact with you soon to let you know who your partner might be. Now, if I have an odd number of entries here, I think, or submissions, I don't even know what to call them, because it is an odd number, I'm going to have to see where the next ones come in. There also be they might be a little delayed depending on those of you that want to have a snail mail pal that's international, or you want to keep it local to your country. So if you are wanting to keep it local to your country and I have international ones, then the international ones might have to wait a little bit depending on the next entries coming in. I'm going to see though if I can start maybe a little digital for those of you that are taking part, maybe something related to snail mail or happy mail and that sort of thing that could be added to things that you might want to send to your snail mail pal. So I will be adding you, as I said, everyone that I'm showing, I'll be adding you to the list, and then I'll be sending you an email letting you know who your snail mail pal will be. And as the entries keep coming in, I'll be adding more names to the list, and we'll see if we can do this on a monthly sort of connection so that you get to meet someone new every time. I think this is going to be so fun that you get to meet some new people that are creatives that you may not have seen before, and it'll just be fun to get to know other creatives as well. All right, the next one is from, let me see the name. This one is from Tammy. Right, Tammy. Thank you, Tammy. Goodness. Now, Tammy, I've known Tammy for a long, long time, and I adore her work. We've actually done a little bit of swap here and there. So I said to her that I'm really looking forward to seeing, who would match her style that she would be happy to get to know. I love this tiny little envelope, and of course you can see her style, very vintage, and just really, really lovely. So we've got some faux canceled stamps, I guess that's what we're going to call them. And what a cute little envelope, Tammy. I love, love, love it. She did include, of course, the journaling card here on the top left that has her information on it. So this will be great to, to keep track of everyone that's send the information in an easy way for me to organize it. She's included this lovely tag, and this is the cutest little envelope. I love how you've decorated this, Tammy. And she's added some cute little pieces in there. And I love this frame. Now I actually have this frame, but I've never seen it distressed this way. So you have to give me your tricks on how to get it in all these lovely shades. Oh my goodness, love these. I'm definitely going to hoard these because I love the colors that you did on them. So there's like basically the 5 different distress ways that she's done them, if you can see that. And then she's got this tiny little envelope with a little note. Oh my goodness, super adorable. Thank you so much, Tammy. I can't wait to let you know who your snail mail pal will be. And then we've got one last one coming in here, and this one is from Heather, and she's done a little pocket with a little journaling card. Super adorable. So you get to see her style here as well. Super, super cute. So thank you so much, everyone, for your interest in joining the list of snail mail pals. I'll be in contact with you, and as they come in, I'll share them maybe once or twice a month as I get my lists going, but I'll let you know as soon as I have a few to start the list going again. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me. Let me know about the packs that I mentioned, or if you're interested in any items at this point. I'm doing a little bit of a de-stash as I'm pulling out my spring items, and so I thought I would share some with you of some of the goodies that I have a little extra of, and see if you're interested in anything like that. Let me know. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you very soon with another project. Thanks so much for stopping by.